Gordon County, Georgia, Salvage Yard Restoration. What is Gordon County, Georgia, Salvage Yard Restoration Bond? A Gordon County, Georgia, Salvage Yard Restoration Bond is a surety bond required for businesses that operate salvage or junkyards in the county. It guarantees that the business will properly restore and clean the site when operations end or as required by local regulations. The bond serves as financial protection for the county and the public against environmental damage or improper site conditions. Why is Gordon County, Georgia, Salvage Yard Restoration required? It is required to ensure salvage yard operators follow county rules on environmental protection, cleanup, and property restoration. Gordon County mandates the bond to prevent abandoned, unsafe, or contaminated sites. This requirement helps maintain public safety, reduce pollution risks, and ensure responsible business operations. How does Gordon County, Georgia, Salvage Yard Restoration works? If the salvage yard fails to clean or restore the property, the county may file a claim against the bond. The surety company can pay for cleanup costs up to the bond amount, but the operator must reimburse the surety afterward. This process ensures compliance while holding the business financially accountable for any violations. To know more, please visit swiftbonds.com.